We have recently decided to expand our aluminum paint stripping process. Aluminum parts are costly to manufacture. If mistakes are made in a process, or maybe you've decided to change paint colors, if you have to scrap those parts, that's a major expense, or if you have to find some way to recycle those parts, there's still a lot involved. With us being able to remove the paint, that will save on the scrap or the rework that's required to put those parts back into production. We simply remove the paint, there's no damage to the part itself, so it is allowed to be able to put back on the process line, repainted or reused in whatever way that you require. When we have a request for removing paint from aluminum parts, we receive the parts in-house, we inspect them, and get requirements from the customer to make sure that if there's any type of handling requirements or special needs that they have, we make notes of those within our work instructions that we put into our processes. Example, with cylinders that we work on, we have to make sure no chemical gets inside the cylinders, so we make sure we have the right closure equipment we need to keep chemical from getting into those cylinders. But then we determine within our lab test of what's required to remove the paint. Normally, cycle times run somewhere between 45, 60 minutes, just depends on the parts. But we'll process the parts, we'll load a basket, put the parts in our process, let it work through, remove it, and rinse off any residue, paint that's left over, make sure it's perfectly clean, and the final steps that might be necessary for packaging, and package the parts and ship it back to the customer. It's usually very specific to what a customer is asking for as well. My father, when he started the business, his main focus was customer service. He wanted to be able to serve the customer in a way that was satisfactory for that customer. So there was a heavy emphasis on really determining what the customer is looking for. And we continue that same philosophy today. The benefit of working with us is that you do get a tailored process specific to customer requirements, and that we do everything we can to ensure satisfaction and happiness with our customers. Easiest thing is to just reach out to us. You can call us, send us an email, fill out a contact page from our website with specific requirements that you may have, and we'll get back to you with what we can do to help you.